I've got something to admit right now.
Uh-oh.
It was really cool when I saw what you made, so I stole it.
Wow. Hi, I'm Amy, and this is Design Roulette, a series where we do randomized design challenges. We also have a roulette wheel for extra chaos, and whatever it lands on, we have to incorporate into our designs. And today, my guest is Nolan Perkins.
That's right. I'm the master of motion. Rad Nolan is here, and I'm here to talk to the Mic Drop CEOs. We have a karaoke app in this design file, and we're going to be making some really great motion items in this.
A really fun app. We can design onboarding screens, song pickers, marketing website. The world is our oyster. Should we spin the wheel?
Here we go.
Wherever it lands.
Gonna spin it. Include falling confetti or glitter. I'm gonna go with the song picker because I feel like that would crush with a confetti pop.
You know what? I'm gonna go with song picker as well. So I've heard some stories about you in karaoke, Nolan.
I have been known to sing a little bit. So that needs to go in the app.
Wait, that's hilarious. No, I'm 100% going to use that. Wait, so is this your go-to karaoke song?
Oh yeah, Bohemian Rhapsody is...
Iconic. Wow, you go right into it. Just like a power ballad, like 7 minutes long.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, that's so funny.
I'm going to add like a background to this.
I'm going to use our AI image editor to zhuzh out this cutout of you a little bit. I want to see you on a big stage. Like, you look like that's what you deserve.
Coachella. I don't know if I'm ready for all of that.
Wow. This is like, you got a little marketing poster for you. Wait, that's so funny. I wish I was doing the marketing website instead because I would just put this front and center.
And I'm going to do the expand offset vector so that we can get like a little cutout. And then we're going to flip it and it's going to be like that. There we go.
Wait, so fun.
Cute.
You did it in hard mode, Nolan.
I probably could have just AI'd it, huh?
Yeah.
Speaking of AI, I'm going to head over here, go to agent, and I'm going to say, turn this into a wheel of songs so that when I press the wheel, it spins it, and I'm able to get a confetti pop at the end when it lands on something.
Wait, fun. Meanwhile, while you do that, I'm going to see if I can turn you into confetti somehow using... Agents create plugins. I'm going to try to create a Nolan confetti plugin. I think it's going to work beautifully. So, wait, this is so funny.
Oh, heck yeah. I think that we can use these once they're finished as like placeholders in here. There we go. Gonna grab all these guys.
Ooh, wait, that's so funny.
That's on the way.
It's getting there.
And then when it spins, these would all like...
I'm going to add 40 min size. I'm going to make you tiny. Okay, ready to scatter, Nolan?
Let's see.
Wait. That's like kind of cute.
Yeah.
Wait, I like that. Kind of crazy and chaotic, but then again, so do you. So I think it's beautiful. So let's spin the wheel again and see what other chaos ensues. So we have to build a micro interaction for a successful action. And Nolan confetti is officially taken.
I want to bring them all to... I'll just do it manually while you try that.
Okay, let's see. Good to all Nolan's.
I'm bringing all of them in.
One by one.
Oh my gosh, there's like little Nolans in there too. I didn't even know.
Yeah, no, like I randomized the... wait, they're so tiny. We're kind of collaborating now.
I know we're supposed to go against each other, but like...
The real design roulette is the friends you made along the way, I think.
Okay, that's fine. We'll go with it.
A little weird, but... Or maybe I'm secretly sabotaging you.
Don't you dare.
Oh, wait. I win. Agent did it faster. And it got you into this cute little, like, infinite Nolan spiral.
I just watched it pop for the first time, and it's sick. I'm just going to, like, stagger the rotation, and then I'm going to put a scale of, like, 50. So they're like kind of pop too. Okay. Yeah. Come look at it.
I want to see.
Well, you can press the motion button and pop it. But yeah, here you go.
Wait, that's so fun.
Yeah.
Wait, that's
so now
crazy.
I just got to chain in the add to queue button.
All right, so let's spin the wheel once more and see what other fun we have in store. Wait, that's so cute. That was like kind of nice. Okay, so make a background have a moving / glistening effect.
I've got an idea.
What's your idea?
I'm not going to tell you. You have to go make your own, okay? So,
Okay, wow. I thought, even though the whole point of Design Roulette is for it to literally be a duel, I thought we had something really nice going with the collaboration, but that's fine. So I will create a chromatic aberration effect. I'm going to be perfectly honest. I don't even know what that means, but I'm going to run it and see what happens. Oh. Okay, yes.
How's it looking?
Wait,
Whoa.
it looks so crazy. I don't even think that's what I was supposed to be doing,
That's
but
sick.
that is so nice. Hell yeah, static chromatic custom effect. Make this Nolan picture chromatic split effect as a shader fill.
I've got something to admit right now.
Uh-oh.
It was really cool when I saw what you made. So I stole it.
Wow.
And so I animated that. It's a little wild, but like, you know.
Okay, a little crazy, but like, it looks good.
It wiggles.
Because I did it first. Things are happening here that I can't quite explain. Because I've never seen anything like it before. But
That's going to
I
actually
think
be
I
my
can work with
profile
it.
pic.
Yeah.
So.
This is kind of sick. Did you headline Coachella? I'm not sure now. I made you a background. Wait, I kind of like that.
I crushed it. So.
Okay.
That's it. It's over.
According to you.
It's over. Just
Hang it up. Okay, wait. What do you have?
No. You don't get to see it. No.
We have to pitch, Nolan.
Against each other.
Yes. You went rogue and wanted to do your own thing, and like, that's fine. But now we need to take it to the sharks.
Oh, wow.
Wait.
It's a little jarring.
That's-
is what I'll say.
It's provocative. I'll give you that. Mine's, a little more abstract. It's the idea of a glistening effect. It's there. You kind of have to squint your eyes a little bit, or else you won't be able to read anything else on the app because there's a lot going on. But I think it works. So now that we've spun the wheel 3 times, we had our fun. We also had our creative differences. That's all I'm going to say about that. I'm ready to pitch my idea to the Mic Drop CEOs. So if you'll follow me on this journey, I created a chromatic split effect, which I definitely knew what that meant before this episode, of Nolan singing karaoke at Coachella. So like, you can already see the vision. Like, we're thinking big. This app is not for your average karaoke user. It is to amplify the folks who are, just like getting up on stage and aren't afraid to sing their little hearts out. And this is really what Mic Drop is about. So we have that in the background. It's a motif. It's always there. It's ever present, but it's not in your face. We have a soft and subtle layer blur, so it's not like overwhelming. It still, amazingly, follows the brand guidelines, because I pay attention to the assignment. That's why you should pick me and not Nolan.
My turn, okay? We have motion in everything that we do. And like Amy said, we have been tirelessly working on this micro interaction. And everything that we're doing is trying to highlight the creators, the musicians that we're trying to highlight in this Mic Drop app. What better to do than to hit you in the face with the person who is the artist of this thing. And so I started by making a nice little pop, It's subtle. It's a subtle pop with a glistening effect in the background.
Not too in your face, which is very modest.
And with the glistening effect comes a starburst of people whoever the artist is going to be these confetti pops. So we just need to add one little item to the database, okay, mic drop CEOs, and they're going to be able to get their face in front of people who are actually listening to their song. And then while I was at it, I saw a nice little chromatic effect happening down there, and I took it to the next level by adding a little motion to it as well. And so some might call it jarring, others might call it taste, you know?
Craft. Even.
I've crafted an incredible interaction right here, and I think that we need to coin a new term, actually. Instead of micro interaction, it should be macro interaction.
Because we need to bring back maximalism,
Yes.
surely, in a very simple app already. All I'm going to say, mic drop CEOs, is that I think Nolan cheated because Motion was literally just released. I actually don't even know how to use it yet. And yes, the same could be said for agent-created plugins, but it's only cheating when Nolan does it. So you should pick me. So comment below on who you think the mic drop CEO should choose as the winner. It's all you.